Summer Projects 2024 underway. Here we go. We are starting with doors. This baby blue has been here long enough. That is right. We are going to change the baby blue. It worked well for the first 20 years, but we're going to try something different for the next 20 years. What the hell? Give it a shot. You know, if it doesn't work, I can at least repaint them all white or some shit. I don't know. But I'm getting sick of the baby blue, and it's time for some change. Yeah, that's right. This paint job wasn't the best on here to begin with anyway. It was just kind of brush and shit, so there were a lot of streaks, and it wasn't so professional. So here I am, being lazy and trying to use this roller to get this done because I didn't want to break out the paint sprayer. But I knew in the back of my head that the paint sprayer was going to leave a much better finish and make everything look much better. I was just being a little lazy bitch and didn't want to pull out the paint sprayer and the hose, honestly. So here we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We're going green. Yeah, not any of that environmental shit, obviously, because I'm spraying paint everywhere. But we are going actual green. Yeah, look at this vibrant green on this door. This fucking thing is beautiful. I am so happy with how this came out. These doors are going to be amazing. I got one down here and about 9 to go like this. So many fucking doors on the outside of this house. I don't know why. Couple interior doors to do as well, but they're not going green.